children, how do you speak to others? Do your words feel like flowers or like arrows? The way we talk can make someone smile or make their heart feel hurt. So try to choose your words wisely. It was an early morning in the Gurukul. Soft sunlight came through the trees and the whole courtyard looked warm and calm. The leaves moved quietly in the breeze and the birds were singing. The ashram helper was doing his daily work. He swept the courtyard, kept the mats neatly and made everything ready so the children could sit and learn. He had his usual simple smile on his face. While lifting a mat, it slipped from his hands, fell near Duryodhana's feet. Duryodhana was already upset that day. The moment the mat fell, he shouted, "You never do things properly!" The helper lowered his head. His smile faded. He felt hurt but stayed quiet. Duryodhana did not know Guru Dronacharya was nearby. Guruji saw everything. He saw the anger, the hurt, and how a few sharp words can break someone's heart. He decided to teach Duryodhana a lesson. A little later, Guruji called him. His voice was calm at first. He said, "Duryodhana, carry this message to the other side of the ashram. Listen carefully." But Duryodhana did not listen well. His mind was still full of anger. When he reached the other side, he had forgotten the half message. He returned and said he could not remember the full message. Guruji said strictly, "This is carelessness. Important work needs attention. You never do things properly." The words hit Duryodhana's heart. He felt upset. He thought, if these few words can hurt me so much, how much must that helper have felt when I shouted at him? He felt ashamed and understood. Duryodhana went to the helper. He said softly, "I am sorry. I should not have talked to you like that. You worked so hard for all of us, and I didn't respect that." The helper looked at him and saw he felt sorry. A warm smile came back to his face. He said, "It's all right, child. Accepting your mistake shows real strength." Duryodhana felt nice, as if a heavy weight had lifted from his heart. Just then Bhim came closer. He had seen everything. He said, "Brother, Guruji always teaches us, Anudvekaram Vakyam." It means speak words that do not hurt anyone. Then he added, "Our words may be small, but the effect is big." Duryodhana nodded. "Yes, Bhim, now I understand. Harsh words hurt. Kind words bring peace. So children, remember this. When you choose your words wisely, you make others feel safe and happy. Making others happy is joy of Gita.